Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest tech reviews to make your life easier. Today, we're talking about something every driver needs: dash cams. We've compiled a list of the best dash cams of 2024 based on features, reliability, and value for money. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, a dash cam can give you peace of mind and extra security. So let's dive in. Before we jump into the top picks, let's quickly cover what makes a great dash cam. The key things to look for are video resolution, ideally 4K or 1080p, night vision for low light conditions, GPS tracking for location data, and Wi-Fi for easy file sharing. Some models even offer parking mode to monitor your car when you're away. Alright, let's get into the top dash cams for 2024. We've got a range of options from premium 4K models to budget-friendly picks, starting with number 1 on our list. At number 1, we have the Rovi R2 to 4K dash cam. This is the ultimate choice if you want crystal clear 4K video. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, making it super easy to download your footage and track your journey. Plus, it has excellent night vision, ensuring clear recording even in low light. With its parking mode, your car is protected 24/7. If you're serious about getting the best quality and performance, the Rovi R2 4K is a solid investment. Cut to second place. Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel. Coming in at number 2 is the Vantrue N4 Pro, a 3-channel dash cam that records front, rear, and inside your car simultaneously. This is perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants complete coverage. It also has impressive night vision and voice control, which makes it a hands-free experience while driving. If you need multiple angles covered, the Vantrue N4 Pro is the way to go. 9.5 out of 10 rating, available on Amazon. Cut to third place. VIOFO A229 Pro. Our third pick is the VIOFO A229 Pro. It's a dual-channel dash cam, recording in 4K and 2K with HDR, which means you get crisp details and vivid colors even in high-contrast lighting. It also has 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast downloads and advanced night vision technology. The VIOFO A229 Pro strikes a great balance between quality and price. 9 out of 10 rating, available on Amazon. Segment 3. Why a dash cam is essential. Now, if you're still wondering why you should get a dash cam, think about this. They can provide crucial evidence in case of an accident, help with insurance claims, and even record incidents when your car is parked. A small investment in a dash cam could save you thousands down the road. Segment 4. Final thoughts. So, there you have it. The top dash cams of 2024. Whether you go with the feature-packed Rovi R2 4K, the multi-angle Vantrue N4 Pro, or the budget-friendly VIOFO A229 Pro, you can't go wrong. Don't forget to check the links in the description to find these dash cams online and grab the best deals. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews, and let us know in the comments. What dash cam are you thinking about getting? Until next time, stay safe on the road.